Morning guys, welcome to another episode of Pack Explore in this very windy morning. A couple of days ago I picked up this Outback Tourer 270 plus awning. Came all the way over from Queensland, Australian made, a small family business. So gonna go on a camper trailer on the other side, passenger side eventually. So gonna do the unboxing and yeah, see what it's like. Gee, they're tough. Find something else for that one. Well, so far it looks like good quality. That's it. Outback Tourer. So I bought it ourselves, paid out of our own pocket. There's no sponsorship or nothing. But what I do like about this one is the bag does not cover the backing plate, mounting plate. We've got a 270 awning on the Gladiator, which the bag covers the whole back lot, so you have to cut holes through the cover where the bolts come out. Don't have to do that with this one, so that's a big bonus. So let's get the instructions out and see what we got to do. Well, the instructions are clearly written down. Should be easy enough. I'm not going to use these brackets as the awning is going to go bolted onto the framework on the trailer. So, yeah, should be good. How to set up the awning, how to pack it up, we'll figure that out later. Shouldn't be too hard. So, yeah. There you're going to bolt the awning onto the framework here. Bolt to the top there. Let's see what holes we can use from the old one. Or just drill some new holes in it and go from there. So I've got it completely out of the box. Open the bag up, had a good look. Looks like, so far, really good quality. Mounting frame. Looks nice and solid. Yeah. Quite happy with how that looks. Looking forward to seeing it mounting. Back again, just had to duck down to the hardware store, got some longer bolts. Normally not needed, but because I'm not using the brackets that come with the awning, I'm going to bolt it to the framework, and because the bolts that came with it are not quite long enough to go all the way through the frame, to put a bolt nut on it. So got some longer bolts. What I'm going to do now is mark out the spot where the bolt's going to go on the corner before I put all the rest on. Break it, lift the bracket up. I'm going to use tape. What I'm doing with the tape is I'm going to put it on either side of the bolts, so when I move the awning the bolts won't move sideways. That way it's going to be easier to line up with the holes. Well, there's that side done. These bolts are not going to go anywhere now. Now we only got to figure out the distance on these holes here to that side. That should be about it. They do say work smarter, not harder, so I'll put these up. Well, that's it. Awning is fitted. All I gotta do now is tidy up a bit and open it up. Just about ready to open the awning for the first time. I'm just gonna show you up close actually what it looks like hanging on the side of the trailer. So it's a decent size. It sticks out a fair bit. I think that's something to keep in mind if you put it on a vehicle. Yeah, see, it looks like first instance on good quality. Yep, let's open her up. Zips are working well. Three straps to undo. Very first time setting this up, so it'll go quicker. So far, looks awesome. Got fold down post. I'll just get the camera a bit closer up and yeah, go from there. It's got a ball head to fold down. One of the main reasons I went for this one, first of all, yeah, freestanding, comes with poles if you do need them. Best part is I found got these built-in LED lights. That's gonna be good. Got one there, there's one here, and then there's another one here. Don't think there's one here. Yep, there's one there too. They got built-in lights on all the arms. Another reason I get this one, it's got good cover on the back of the trailer, and it's got this point coming out this side as well. So that's a decent area, decent size awning. That's gotta come in handy when you go camping. We got a week's camping planned on the beach up north, Easter next year. That'll be good. We got these little balls too to, oh yeah, I'll take this off. Okay. For different lines. Put them up. Yes, be good. That's an awesome awning. Happy with that. Yeah, if ever in the market for a 270 freestanding awning, definitely keep Outback Tourer in mind. Outback Tourer camping and 4x4 accessories. It's a family business up in Queensland, so I've got no affiliation with them at all. Never heard of them before until I started looking online and came across this one. And as I said, one of the reasons I went for this one is because it's got this extra triangle here, more shade. It's got the big shade going around the back, and your main lights, the LED lights built in. So it's all you plug it in, and the battery on the back there, you got light, which is awesome. So yep, definitely have a look into these guys if you're in the market. I can't quite remember what I paid. It was under $2,000, so it's not too bad. So yep, in the future we'll see how she goes. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you another time. See you.